Hello guys, welcome to another instructive video on driving education. In today's video, we will be talking about a difficulty that occurs to all new drivers once they start driving. In this short video, I will be showing you guys how to park in reverse. As you can see, we have placed these cones on the right side, because in this case, we will try to park to our right. Next, we will have a distance at 2 meters away from other vehicles, the cones in this case. Now, you should slowly open up a bit, away from the cars if you have space, and try to place the back of your car's defense or bumper parallel to the cone as shown here. Once you are in the position, you will immediately change to R reverse and turn your steering wheel halfway to the right, and then you will slowly let go of the brakes so that your vehicle will begin moving back slowly. For this, you will have to be aware of your surroundings at all times and keep your eyes on the mirrors, especially the lateral ones. You will slowly begin to move back carefully until you're at a point where, as in this video, you'll see the cones from the lateral mirror, and then you will stop. Once you're in this position, you're at a complete stop. The next thing you will do is to begin to steer your wheel to a half a turn to the left. You will then change from R reverse to D drive and move slowly forward. From this position, you will then see the cones from your lateral mirrors. Then we will put R reverse again, and then turn your steering wheel again towards the right a bit so that the car will start to slowly align as it moves back carefully. Make sure to again be aware of your surroundings by checking your mirrors at all times as you move your steering wheel slowly while keeping your feet on the brake. Remember, you must always have a clear view of the cones through your lateral mirror. If you don't have a clear view, then change to D drive and move forward a bit until you have a full vision in order to proceed. Remember that everything is all about practice. Do not get stressed out if at first it seems challenging to you, as this is something normal for beginners. Just keep practicing and you shall get better in no time. And alrighty guys, this video has come to an end. I hope it was helpful. For more videos like these, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give a thumbs up, and comment your thoughts below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.